amazing recipe. It's gonna be tacos al pastor, and everybody knows me for Charismatic Cook. Thank you for being in my channel today, and I'm gonna teach you to make this amazing recipe. It's really easy, and everybody, the whole world knows Mexico because of our tacos. So if you are from Mexico, be so proud to be Mexicano or Mexicana. Viva Mexico! So let's go make these tacos. They're really easy, but they're amazing. And we're gonna use corn tortilla, salsa, onions, cilantro, and you can put anything you want in your tacos. So today we're gonna make street tacos. Stay with me. Let's go cook our amazing tacos al pastor. Ready? Let's go! Sí, señor. Okay, we're gonna need 7 Guajillo chilies, 1 tablespoon of achiote. This is half a cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of orange juice. This is fresh orange juice, around 3 oranges. A pinch of oregano, a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, bacon. This is around 6 and I cut it in half. You can add more or less, that's up to you. 2 pieces of pineapple. This is a fresh pineapple and I cut it in small squares. And to hold the meat, we're gonna need 2 skewers and some aluminum foil. 1 pound pork steak. Okay, the Guajillo chili is been cooking for 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna add everything to my blender, and I'm gonna add the 2 cloves of garlic. And you need just a little bit of the broth. Okay, this is a really easy step. These are the Guajillo with the cloves of garlic. We're gonna put everything together. Okay? The orange juice, the vinegar, the achiote, the oregano, black pepper, and the salt. And do you remember the skewers? Okay, we're gonna put it in our pineapple first to hold our meat. Okay, we're gonna make these amazing taquitos, and everybody loves taquitos, guys. Okay, the first thing we have to do is we need to grab our first ingredient, is the pineapple. So we're gonna make a tower. It's gonna be pineapple, meat, bacon, meat, bacon, and the last thing is gonna be on the top is gonna be my other pineapple. Okay, we're gonna start with our pineapple and with our skewers. Okay, I put the holes already with the pointy point, but I'm gonna start with the one that's not point. So I'm gonna put it inside. See, it will be easy because I already made the hole. And I'm gonna start with the small pieces because this cooks faster. So on the bottom it's gonna take a little bit longer. So I'm gonna start with that. Okay, and I have just two small pieces, but it's okay. Okay, now the bacon. Remember, we're gonna make the tower. So the thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make like the cross thing, and this one I'm gonna put 3 just because. Okay, we're gonna keep building our tower and show you when it's the last part. Now we're gonna put it together. Remember the aluminum foil. Now is the time to cover the skewers so they don't burn inside your oven. So, okay, the meat for our tacos al pastor is ready to go inside the oven. Now we have to cook the meat with the bacon for 1 hour 20 minutes, and it's gonna be 350 degrees. Okay, our tacos, they're ready. And I love sour cream. And you know that, right? So, some cream on my taco. Are you guys ready? You want some? You want some? Look at that, guys. Oh. The salsa is delicious. A little bit more. It's amazing. Make it at home. And you don't need a trompo. That's all you need. Your oven, and it's delicious. Let me finish my taco. Let me finish my taco. Okay, guys. Our tacos, they were amazing. They're so good. And I'm still like dancing because I make habanero salsa. It was really spicy. And if you like habanero, you know what I mean. But I make these amazing tacos. They're so amazing. Make it at home. Take a picture, post it on Instagram, and show me your tacos. And I want to say thank you to my brother Miguel Gordillo, because he helped me to make this amazing recipe. I love you, Miguel. And remember, there's no right way or wrong way. Simply do it your way. Put more or put less, anything you want to do at home. Make it your recipe. Well, see you next time. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share this amazing recipe. Bye.